going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ricky and this is my channel is Rickysfoods. So today my grandma's gonna be cooking. I'm not gonna be cooking at all. So she's making some barbacoa tacos. So the meat consists of beef cheek tacos. So she's gonna show us how she makes it. I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just extra hands. So there's my grandma. She'll be cooking. So let's get started. All right.
Hola, mi nombre es Lilian. Aquí yo estoy preparando una barbacoa de res para hacer unos taquitos. Ya está bien lavadita. Con los ingredientes: sal de ajo,
Garlic salt,
pimienta,
some black pepper,
orégano,
and she's gonna put some oregano in there.
hojas de laurel
Some bay leaves.
y ajo, pero de unos 3 dientitos de ajo bien machacados.
And she's gonna use 3 garlics. And she's
Ahorita,
gonna mince them.
ahorita ya le voy a quitar todo lo gordito a la carne.
So right now she's basically gonna do it, just trim off some of the fat, not all of it, because you want at least some fat in there. I'm a fat kind of guy.
Y lo pongo ya a la olla con suficiente agua y tapadito.
So after she's done with that, she's gonna put it in a big thing over here, and just with water, and then she's just gonna simmer it for a couple hours.
Por 3 horas lo pongo.
For 3 hours.
3 horas, sí, 3 horas.
So like I said, right now she's just trimming the fat, the silver skin, because when you buy beef cheeks, it has a lot of fat and silver skin, so you want to make sure you trim off some of the fat and the silver skin, of course. But like I said, I like the fat, so you don't want to trim too much of the fat. Alright guys, so now that she trimmed off the beef cheeks, look how clean it looks. So we bought 2 beef cheeks from Walmart, and each beef cheek weighed about 2.5 pounds. So she already trimmed it, and then they show you the fat. And that's how much fat we took out, and this is not good, so that's why you want to trim off some of the fat. So now she's gonna put it in the pot over here. So before we started trimming and everything, she makes sure she washed the meat, rinse it off and everything. Alright guys, so right now she's gonna cut the garlic so we can add it to the pot over here. She's gonna add about 3 cloves into the pot. That should be good enough. She's having some problems breaking it right now, but it's all good. She crushes the garlic. I'll be adding some bay leaves to it, so we're gonna add 3 or 4 couple leaves to the pot. So here there are some bay leaves going into the pot. Alright guys, so there's the garlic. She put in 4 cloves to the pot, and now she's gonna add the seasonings. She's gonna add some pepper. And then she's gonna add some oregano. And then she's gonna add some garlic salt to it. So now, with this pot, we're gonna pull her over to the stove, so let's go do it right now. Alright guys, so she just put her in the stove. Right now it's on high, but once it starts simmering and everything, turn the fire down to medium and just leave it like that for 2-3 hours. We'll check about in 2 hours to see how the meat is tender or not. And that's pretty much it guys, so we'll see you guys back in about 2 hours so we can check on the meat.
Vamos a taparla. 3 horas.
Alright guys, so it's been about 3 hours since the beef cheeks been on the stove. So they're done. So this is how you know they're done. So you just grab a piece, get it with this hand. So you grab a piece and then grab yourself a fork, and then when you poke it, if it goes in like butter, it's done. And this goes in like butter guys. So I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna get everything on the table, and I'll see you guys back in a bit. So my grandma's right here making the tortillas. She's getting ready everything for the tacos. Boom, right there. And we got the setup over here. We got some onions and cilantro. We got the guac already made. We have a green salsa, and then we got the lemon or the lime. So let's get ready.
Ready para. Vamos a sacar la carne para picarla. Vamos a un taquero. No sé cómo hacen los taqueros. Vamos a hacer. Están quedando pero paso los de estos taquitos, hijo.
She said that's gonna be really, really good.
Okay, ya. ¿Cargado lo quiere, viejito?
Sí.
Aquí va. Lo cargo. Ok, ya prende. Que saque. ¿Sí? Luego le echa. Oh.
Alright guys, so we got the tacos right here. Tacos. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Let me get the camera ready. Alright guys, so we got the tacos right here. Me and my grandma are gonna take a bite and let's see how we did. So, let's see. Let me get you a close up right now. Look at that. So freaking good. Alright guys, salud.
Muy sabroso.
That's freaking good. I have to eat the whole taco. That's so good. Alright guys, so the tacos are really good. The green salsa, the onions, the cilantro. The meat is really, really tender. My grandma did an awesome job. Good job, grandma. Buen trabajo. So look, like always guys, if you guys like the video, subscribe to the video, like the video, ring the bell, and if you want my grandma to cook more, leave a comment down below. She'll be happy to cook more for me. Alright guys, and like always, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.